In this video, I'll show you how to create a multi-step zap in Zapier. Now this one's actually really easy. All we need to do is here in Zapier, you want to click on create on the top left if this is your first time ever making a zap. And obviously we're going to pick zaps. And now we could just use Copilot to do the whole thing. But I don't know if this is a premium feature or not. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the normal method of setting up triggers and actions. So let's first set up our trigger. So here we can choose what app is going to be the trigger app. I'm going to use Trello. Now we need to set what the trigger event is. Again, this is all going to be completely different according to your 3-step zap. So let's just say a card is moved to a list. And now you see I get the option to sign into my account. And also on the top here, I get options to configure. Now I'm not going to configure or sign in because it's not really needed for this. So now if this was a 2-step zap, you could just set your action here, or you can just set your action now. But whenever you see these pluses, that means you can add a step. So we're going to add a step in between here. And off the top of my head, I'm just going to pick Slack. I'm not really sure what I'm going to set this up as. And we need to choose our event again. And again, once I choose my event, I now have the options to sign in and configure the actual action. Though for the purposes of this tutorial, we are not going to do that. And I think you get the picture here, but let's set up our last thing, and that's the action. And the action will make a Gmail, and it'll just be to send an email. And in the configure section, we'll be able to actually write out what the email should say. But again, we're not going to do that. But yeah, that is pretty much how you will set up your 3-step zap. And when you're done, you just want to hit publish, though I would set up a test run for it before you do that. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.